Jetta hates its life. It's doing like this weird, it's almost like a limp mode where it won't go over 20 miles an hour, won't rev past 2,000 RPMs. So we're not sure what is going on. And of course, as we're on our way to Home Depot to get masking materials so we can dip the car,
I don't know, it's been doing weird stuff ever since I got it, but today it won't go past 20 like miles an hour, and then it'll die. So yeah, we're trying to figure that out, and then we're gonna hopefully dip the car.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and threw a new fuel pump in the car. We went to the junkyard really quick, got a fuel pump out of a 1.8 Jetta and threw it back in his car. It seems to work. The fuel pump works. It's the same style as what was in the car, and same style as what was in the 2.0. We went ahead, finished up with the paint booth or whatever, get you guys a little peek. So everything is masked off and super crazy, so we've got that as well. Brady is now washing the car. Alright guys, so Brady is currently taking a break. He has about a gallon done, and the car is pretty fully covered. It looks really, really good. With the bronze wheels, this color is going to look super sick. Yeah, super pumped on what that looks like.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, it's chill. guys, so while Brady is in the shop painting right now, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this gallon of the gray dip with the pearl that we have, and hopefully it turns out super sick. It should be a really cool color. I hope you guys enjoy it. It looked really cool on the little test surface that we did, so hopefully it makes the car come out even better than it looks right now. Alright guys, so what we are using is a violet blue ghost pearl. We're going to throw it in here. In the sunlight, you can see just the slightest hint of like blue sparkles coming through the gray, so it's going to give it a little bit more depth. This is what I actually used on my car right here, and that's what gave it kind of like that bluey purple look. Alright guys, so if you can see that, the pearl is in. It sits white when it's all clumped together, but on the edges where it's like nice and thin, you guys can see how it's turning really blue and nice. So yeah, just keep mixing it in and we'll get the consistency that we want with it. Alright, so Brady just finished spraying it. Looks super dope. In the sun you will see little specks of blue everywhere and it'll be really nice. Alright guys, so we are taking it out for its first rip with the new fuel pump that we got yesterday, and it seems to work. We got it over 20 miles an hour and it revs past 2 grand, so we're happy about that. And we are out to break some necks with this new color. We already got 1 kill. I didn't get it on camera because I didn't know we had the camera, but we got it. So we'll film these kills, guys. We will film them. So, we went for a drive to break some necks. We didn't break any necks because no one was out, coronavirus. And the car, Brady made me drive it and it was just like, so it doesn't rev past like 2,000 RPMs and that is a problem. And it seems like a vacuum leak because it idles at like, normally it idles at like 200 RPMs, like real low, and with this problem it goes all the way up to 1,000 RPMs and just idles right there, and then it won't rev past 2,000 RPMs when you're trying to drive it. So I kind of think there's a vacuum leak, and it seemed like it might have been by the fuel pressure regulator, just because the T fitting that goes on there. I guess we can show you. Alright, so this T fitting right in here was, you could see like half of the barb coming off of the fuel pressure regulator, and that might have been enough to mess with it. And then we also found there's a hose that tees off one of these like PCV whatever lines, I don't know, and we just put it on one of these studs that's up on the dashboard area, but it's just hanging otherwise, so we don't know where that goes. And yeah, I don't know, we gotta look at everything and make sure everything's tight and good. And we also have a coolant leak, so we'll replace that fitting there, those stupid plastic things. Volkswagen problems.
Alright guys, so we did finish the car and it's broken now, so whatever. But yeah, it's done, and then I'm gonna leave it here because I can't drive it with the coolant leak. But yeah, that's what we got today. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.